Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of setting up a proxy with the Scraper API. Let's get started. Sign up on the Scraper API website. Even without a paid subscription, you can use the service for free. After registration, click on Try Free to access the dashboard. Here you'll find the command for setting up the proxies that you need to copy. Customize the command with your own data. After HTTP, provide your username, followed by a colon, password, @ IP address, colon, and port. Specify the resource for which you want to use the proxy. Once you've entered all the required information, press Enter. That's it, the proxy is now set up and ready to use. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.